So this is the entry for the Conservatory and Botanical Garden. Oh, hi. Good morning. I see y'all getting ready for spring.
How are you?
Good. I just was doing a quick video walking through it.
You've been here before?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Thank you. These are the little plants you could buy. You know, it's kind of sparse because they're getting ready for spring. I think this is the dry side here. Oh, the mild Mediterranean. So, and they have a lemon tree, but the lemon tree doesn't have any lemons on it right now. I guess they'll grow. And this is the tropical side. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Thank you. It's a little fishies. Say fishies. They have a banana tree on this side too, but I think that, you know, they haven't sprouted any bananas yet. This is the desert side. And then they have a beautiful exhibit back there too.